Very good morning, my dear students of class 11. A work was given to complete unit 2. Probably you have completed it. Now match your answers. Pages number, open pages number 38, 39, 40 and 41. Question number 3, part A, write down the answer. Check your answers. The book that I borrowed last week is not as good as the book I borrowed this week. Number 2, never since 2015 we saw a movie together. Full stop. Number 3, he ought not eat all the ice cream. Number 4, neither his first statement nor second was. Let me check the answer. I just not print it properly. Yes, write down. Neither his first statement nor second was wrong. Number 5th, the architect asked his client. The architect asked his client if he planned to have a housewarming ceremony. To have a housewarming ceremony. Now part B. Part B, fill in the blank with a suitable word. Number 1, up. Number 2, at. Number 3, away. 4th, by. Number 5, down. Number 6, out. 7, off. OFF. 8, through. THROUGH. Number 9, for. Number 10, on. Now verb forms. Part C. Number 1, goes. Number 2, is. Number 3, earned. Number 4, naming. Number 5, submitted. Number 6, to attempt. Number 7, named. Number 8, suggested. Number 9, made. And number 10, success. Now question number 4, part A, sub part 1, the meaning. Here you can see at page number 40. Number 1, the meaning of carried out is, write down, executed, EXECUTED, executed. Number 2, infinite. And number 3, precise, PRECISE. Make sentence you may form yourself, like picture. Read the question. For each of the words given below, write a sentence at least 10 words using the same word unchanged in form but with a different meaning from that which it carries in the passage. Picture you may write here. Let's go to the picture hall. Number 2, hen lives in a pen. Number 3, I bought a packet of dates from the market. Now part B, there are 3 questions. Write down the answer. Number 1, 56 was a customer of Ahyan who used to get his laundry washed by him. Full stop. He was the narrator himself a fact which remain unknown to Ahyan. Full stop. He got his name by the number 56 dotted into the laundry he used to send Ahyan. Number 2. Answer number 2. Ahyan come to know that 56 was a student at the university because during 4 summer months 56 was absent from town, and during the time of the university examinations, he cuffs cuffs off cuffs of his shirts were covered with dates, formulas and propositions in geometry. You may check the spelling from the passage if you have any problem. Number 3. Ahyan concluded that 56 was in love because his laundry from 1, or at most 2 a week, his dress shirts rose to 4, and silk handkerchiefs began to replace his linen ones. Now part C. Part C, you will write in box. The box you see, the box is given at page number 42, 42. Single word in single box. There are 100 boxes. You may fill one word in one box. You may see the example given at page number 27. Page number 27, the example is given. You must have to complete part C like this. Page number 27, please check. Now part C, write down. Ahyan, a laundryman, used to speculate about his clients through their laundry habits. Full stop. Number 56 was Ahyan's customer, whom he had never seen, as he always sent his laundry by a boy. Full stop. From the state of his laundry, Ahyan assumed many things about him, like his being a university student, his studying law, his falling in love with a girl, and his breakup with her. Full stop. Finally, from a red stain on his shirt, Ahyan concluded that number 56 had committed suicide. Full stop. The narrator, who was himself, the number 56, revealed that everything about him was a figment of Ahyan's imagination. It is completed. I will send the photo on your WhatsApp group as well. Now unit 3, please check the answer. Unit 3, agreement of subject and verb assignment. You may open page number 45. Page number 45. Fill here. Number 1 was, 2 is, number 3 deserve, number 4 are, number 5 was, number 6 were, number 7 is, number 8 was, 9 was, 10 make, 11 were, 12 were, 13 were, 14 was, 15 is, and last 16 is. Now page number 49 and 50 already sent on WhatsApp group. Page number 49 and 50 already sent on WhatsApp group. You please check and complete your workbook. Now page number 52, question number 3, part A. Page number 52, question number 3, part A. Number 1, write down, he was old enough to be my grandfather. Number 2, hardly had he reached home when it began to rain. Full stop. Number 3, vacate the house, comma, so that I need not have to file a case against you. Number 4, I wish I had written down her address. Number 5, not only is our meal at lunch well laid, but also delicious. Now part B, there are 10 blanks. Fill here. Number 1 out, number 2 up, number 3 up, number 4 out, number 5 out, number 6 way, 7 over, 8 in, 9 on, and 10 over. Now part C, verb forms. Number 1 here is compounded. Number 2 sees, SEES. Number 3 dumping. Number 4 teaching. Number 5 will learn. Number 6 will protect. Number 7 looking. Number 8 to offer. Number 9 swimming. And number 10 partnering. Partnering. Now question number 4, part 1. Write the meaning. Number 1, infuriated. Number 2, astounded. And third, agony. Make sentence like this. Number 1, internet has the ability to power today's generation. Or you may form any other sentence, no problem. Her engagement, number 2, her engagement was cancelled because she was not well qualified. You may form another sentence, no problem. Number 3, she made an appointment to meet at 6. Or I had to postpone my appointment. You may make other sentence. You may form other sentence. No problem. Now part B. Number 1. Besides telling the dentist that he had a number of urgent appointments to attend to, comma, the narrator gave as many lame excuses he could to avoid having the appointment with the dentist. Number 2, in the dentist clinic, dentist apostrophe S, in the dentist clinic, comma, there were 2 assistants dressed in white like navy personnel, PERSONNEL, full stop. The equipment included a gas tank and a pump with a set of rubber tubes to administer gas to the patient. Number 3, the dentist gave a huge bill for administering gas and removing the teeth, comma, etc. Full stop. The narrator in turn, comma, sent a bill amounting to $400 for mental agony, comma, for putting him under gas, comma, for having fun with him under gas, and for telling lies regarding the effect of gas. Now last part, part C, you write in grid form like page number 27 from your total book. You see in your total English workbook, page number 27, like this. You will write this in grid form. Right. There are number of humorous incidents in the passage. Full stop. First, comma, the narrator's reaction when he heard the word gas and the excuses he gave to avoid the appointment with the dentist. Full stop. Second, the narrator's consultation with at least 50 people about the effects. Full stop. Third, the way the dentist took out the narrator's entire jaw, JAW, with a sledgehammer and pickaxe instead of pulling out the decaying tooth. Full stop. Finally, comma, the narrator receiving a huge bill from the dentist and the narrator sending a bill to him amounting to $400 for mental agony and taking the doctor to the court for the same. It is total English workbook is completed up to page number 56. In the next video, you will watch unit 4. Thank you so much, student. If you have any problem, please ask me. Thank you so much.